I am beyond excited. Holiday Too Faced. Something I look forward to every year, and I've heard really good things about this year's quality. Sometimes, as much as I love Too Faced in general, their holiday collections can be a little less quality on some of the shadows I've noticed. So, and I don't know where to start. We'll start here. Christmas Bake Shop. I mean, this is like my dream. I have a sweet tooth, or a bunch of them. So this comes with not only 3 palettes, but also I imagine Better Than Sex, yeah. Better Than Sex mascara, which I like that mascara a lot. I find it can dry out in the bottle, but I use it pretty quickly, so it's usually not a problem. Okay, let's just get into the cuteness. What? Who are you? Adorable little gingers? Oh my gosh, yes, it smells like gingerbread. We'll just do some swatches. Here we go. That's Weird Dough. You'll love it. So far, so good. Oh, wow. Good pigment. That is called Baking Spirits Bright. This is Make It Rain, dear. Pretty. Oh my God, I'm loving these colors. I am so excited. The pigment's amazing. This is Oh Ginger Snap. Slay What? Oh, I love a warm brown. That's really pretty. It's going to be a really pretty transition. And then the last shadow. Oh, this is so pretty. This is called Get Baked. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love you all. I'm going to marry him. Beautiful. And then it has this bronzer. Do a little swatch there. This is called Cinnamon Bunny. That actually may work for me. I'm pretty light, especially in the winter. Oh, there's that. Why'd I do that? I don't know. There we go. So that'll probably work for me even when I get a little pastier, which will happen. That is for Ginger Snap, the Ginger Snap palette. So pretty. Love it, love it. Yay! This is Chocolate Chip palette. Smell isn't as good as like the chocolatey, straight chocolate ones, but I'll take it. Okay. Beautiful colors. I like this. All the jingle ladies. All the jingle ladies. All the jingle ladies. Resting Wish Face. So we'll see how this light color goes. It's all right. Maybe a touch chalky. Catching Fillings. Oh, that one was Take Whisks, by the way. This is Catching Fillings. This one I really love. Sweet on Santa. It's a nice subtle metallic. It's really pretty. Truth or Dear. Doe MG. Oh my gosh. They kill me with their names. Let me turn this light on. Oh, my light's out. Should have planned that one better, huh? All the Jingle Ladies. There's like it's like a plum, kind of a pinkish plum. Round of Applause and Chocolate Chip. I'm gonna just swatch them both. There they are. I mean, I really am impressed. And then there's Resting Wish Face. It's a highlight. Ooh. Oh, it's really pretty. I love it. I love it. I want more. Oh my gosh, I'm like getting it up in my eye. I don't need to exaggerate those rankies. I'm a mess. Hot Mess Express over here. What's next? Oh my gosh. I mean, I get that it's early for Christmas, but I got a 30% off coupon, which you can't use on this. So that was not fun. I was all excited, like, oh, and then they were like, you can't use it on our new stuff. And I was like, oh yeah. This one is called Sugar Cookie. It smells kind of almondy or something. I don't like the smell of almonds, so. Why is Sugar Cookie? Yeah, it smells kind of almondy. Wolf. All right, Maids of Milking. You barely see it. I can. It's just, let me see. Is that chalk? No, it doesn't really look chalky. It's just kind of blending with my skin. Not the most opaque, but it's not bad. Sugar Bells. Mint to Be. I love the shimmer. That's pretty. Claws Astir. This is like a nice ash brown. Go Elfin Wild. I have a light taupey mauve almost. Nice package. So we've got plenty of browns. If you're in the market for brown, you're gonna find your perfect one because we have about 80. This is Treat Yo Elf. This guy right here. Ooh, I love me some shimmer. If you are not a follower of mine, well, come follow me first of all. Second, girl, throw some shimmer all over me. I don't care. They're like, oh, when you're over this age, you shouldn't wear shimmers on your eyelids. Don't care. I'll be in a coffin with glitter all over my body, okay? And I'm 99. Nice little black called It Suits You. And then here we have a lovely, I'm not the biggest fan of pink on myself, but this is a lovely cool tone, if you will. It's not my jam, but it's pretty if it's yours. All right, this one, the packaging is so cute. Oh my gosh, I want to eat it. And I love the little tin cans. Tin cans? What are we on, a Wizard of Oz? This is called You're So Hot. It's chocolate. It actually, they did a good job because it doesn't smell straight up like their other chocolate palettes. It's got like a little sweetness marshmallow in there. Okay, this palette, this is going to be my bring along with me everywhere palette that I'll put in my makeup bag. Okay, the light color sucks. At least on it. I mean, it's not just blending with my skin. It's also like no opacity. This color is gorgeous. There we go. Another lovely brown. This color is amazing. Watch out, people. I hope you can see the, oh my gosh, look at that color shift. So it's like a pinkish, but then it has this shine that's like a goldy champagne kind of color. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I really think I'm gonna be rocking this a lot. Rocking it, man. All right, the next one's like straight gold. Does it have the names on the back? Are the names? Yeah. Mugs and Kisses, Stir It Up, Christmas Cheer, and Getting Warmer. Holly Jolly, Warm and Toasty, Christmas Cocoa, Cocoa Crazy. All right, so there's that gold color. Pretty. I have kind of yellowish. I'm neutral with a little yellow in there, and sometimes golds can make me look like I'm on the way out to heaven, but this one is really beautiful. So creamy. So creamy. I like that. And then this very, very dark and cocoa-y. Good pigment. I just didn't put a lot on, kind of. Let me do a better swatch for you. There we go. Very pigmented. And I'll do a separate video doing my makeup with these, maybe each one. Oh, by the way, I got a freebie. Stay tuned for that. It's a mirror, and it's very pretty. This was the main event. Yes. You Drive Me Glazy. If you don't know, I am a donut enthusiast. It's even on my work website, okay? It's that real. The love is real. All right, shows you a little thing, little guy, all the things. Comes with eyeliner, another mascara. Man, I'm gonna be set for life. So cute. You Drive Me Glazy. Oh my gosh. This is where I do part 2. We're gonna switch out to part 2. I will put it below. Click it. I just want to break these up because some people don't have 90 minutes to stare at me swatching. But I have 90 minutes to do it. Boom! Put your deuces up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed and click the link for part 2.